Hi guys, Megalook sent me this wig. It's a 613 5x5 lace closure wig, and it did come like quite a honey yellowy blonde, so I dyed it and toned it so it would be like more of a sulphury ash blonde colour, and this is the final result. So I just wanted to review the hair and how it took the colour, how it straightens and how it took to heat. The hair is very soft. It took the colour in very well. I kept to use purple shampoo and then a toner and then put a hair dye on top, so the hair's been through a lot but it's still very healthy and shiny. When I straightened it, no breakage, it didn't dry out, it literally just stayed in perfect condition, and it's the perfect thickness as well. It's not too thick and it's not too thin, and it's 24 inches, so this is how long it is. Slightly curled the ends, and yes, this is the final look and I'm obsessed. I put the link in my bio, and in the description, comment section is the full name of the wig. That's all. Bye guys.